Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use cards like a pro. First, always understand your card's benefits and rewards programs completely. Make sure to pay your full balance on time every single month to avoid any interest charges. Regularly monitoring your credit score, perhaps once every 3 months, helps you catch unexpected changes quickly. These foundational steps are crucial for smart card management. To truly maximize your rewards, strategically use cards that offer bonus points in specific spending categories, like 3% back on groceries. Always aim to redeem your points for travel or cash back, as these often provide the best value. Sometimes 1 point equals 1 cent. Also, consider new card applications for their generous welcome bonuses, which can be worth hundreds of dollars in rewards. Once ChatGPT provides the diagram code, navigate to Draw. EO. From the menu, select File, then Import From, and choose the relevant option, often Advanced or From Text. Paste the entire code generated by ChatGPT into the provided text area. Draw. EO will then process this input, automatically generating the initial visual representation of your diagram based on the structured text you provided. Protecting your cards is paramount. Always report lost or stolen cards immediately to your issuer. Most offer zero liability protection. Use strong, unique passwords for all your online card accounts, perhaps using a password manager. Regularly review your monthly statements for any unauthorized transactions, even small ones, to catch fraud early. These practices ensure your financial safety and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.